Hi traders, today is 28th of February 2020. We are now live at the Trading Crude Oil Market, WTI NYMEX, and this is April 2020 contract. So in this video live, I will show you how I do day trading for US session. So in this video, this is from my self-invented strategy. So we just received a short sell signal from my live Telegram channel, which is to go short at 45.03 and to exit at TP at 44.87. The second TP target price is at 44.75. So the first one will produce us a profit of 16 ticks, which is around one lot $160, and the second one is around $28 in profit. So from this live signal, so let's wait and see whether this will be a good trading signal for ourselves. And about the volume, let's take a look, sneak peek a bit, and so we might enter any moment soon. Alright guys, we just entered to the market. So based from our sell signal, based on our sell signal, so we are going to enter. So the target here is this green line. So let's wait and see. Hopefully everything will go towards the direction. So let's take a look on our position. As well, we are plus 3 ticks. Plus 4 ticks should be a nice one. So the target is, I'm using the first target, which is around 16 ticks, and here we go. So hopefully everything will be fine and exit as fast as you could, because during your session we are expected for a quick profit, hopefully. But that's how it's supposed to be. But this is a trading market, and sometimes we also facing losses. But so far looks good from my side, and keep maintaining the higher winning rate. Let's hope this will also produce a good winning rate for our strategy. Okay, we are now plus 5 ticks, should be a good one. Plus 6 ticks, plus 8 ticks. Okay, it's getting more faster. So let's take a look on the volume. Okay, there's a high volume at 44.97, which is not good because we are on the direction on the short sell. Okay, the lowest one is 91. So okay, the lowest one is 91, but it didn't go towards the target that I'm queuing at 88. So I should queue at 88. So let's go back to the position. So plus 7 ticks, plus 8 ticks. So the lowest now is 91, just around plus 100 ticks, I guess. But we entered at 93, also plus 12 ticks. So we are not far. Hopefully we can exit as fast as we could, but just to make sure that everything will be fine. So hopefully this one will be a quick one. So we will measure later on how long it to take. By the way, this is a 1 minute chart, time frame 1 minute. Let me enlarge it so you can see better. So now it's a plus 10 ticks, $100 in profit for one lot position size, and 110, 120 is the lowest just now. It will hit the TP area any moment, so hopefully we not reverse back. So we might hit now 90, 90, 90, 98. Okay, we hit the TP area. So the lowest just now is 88. So from my live Telegram channel is 87. I don't know why I put 88, but maybe the wrong. Okay, now hit 87, hit 87, hit 87. So we hit as well. So it was a quick one, I think around 2 minutes or less than 2 minutes. So let's take a look how long it will take. Alright guys, this trade took about around 2 minutes. So it was a good one. 2 minutes we just received a good. Okay, this is 2 minutes watch here. So time now is 9:28 AM New York time. So this 10:35 is my local time, PM. I'm 12 hours ahead or 13 hours ahead compared to New York time. So the price did move back upwards, and 2 minutes for the profit of $160. I meant 160 because the TP target I given is 87, but mine already exit 1 tick early, so I receive only 150. So for one position size, 2 minutes, that's all I need. It's a day trading, day salary. So by the way, there's a link below in the description. Feel free to click on it, and anything you like, share, comment, or you have to question to ask, just contact me directly. And also there's please subscribe this video, this channel, and put in on notification for more videos in future. So there's also a lot of video in my playlist. Feel free to go through onto it. So guys, I think that's all. Thank you for watching and have a nice weekend. Thank you. Bye bye.